Truck 789 is entering the receiving zone now.
Confirmed. Cleared for immediate unloading.
Ramps are secure, standing by.
Easy, boys, keep it moving.
Straight ahead, we're almost there. Hoses are secured, barriers locked. We are ready for the bull now. Keep it coming straight back, slowly now. All right, hold it right there.
Okay, looks good. Verified against the manifest. We are clear to unload.
The shipment matches the manifest exactly.
Good. Push it to the next stage immediately.
Bay 4 is clear. Bring it in slow, watch the lines.
Copy. Bringing Charlie 2 in now.
The purity and texture analysis are complete. It meets all standards.
Approved for immediate use. Check the sensors on tank 3. It's showing full liquefaction. Looks good. We are clear to proceed.
Readings are stable across the board.
Excellent. The material is ready for mixing. Safety checks complete. Everything is sanitized and ready.
Verified. Good work, team.
The batch weight is confirmed, sir.
Verified against the formula. Everything is aligned. Approved. Move to the vats. The temperature is holding steady and the viscosity is normalizing.
Looks good. The mixture is perfectly uniform now. We can proceed.
Texture analysis looks good, see?
Yes, sir. Purity is also high.
Great work. Let's move this batch forward.
The safety parameters look good.
Yes, the viscosity is perfect. We can approve this batch.
The viscosity is within tolerance, sir.
Good. The assay confirms purity. We are approved for batch production.
Check the consistency near the center. It looks smooth and uniform. We can reduce the speed.
The reading is spot on. Delta E is less than 0.5. Excellent. The consistency is perfect.
The materials are verified, Supervisor.
Approved. The fragrance is ready.
The blend is smooth and the consistency is right where we want it.
Agreed. Final product base is ready for packaging.
The temperature drop is stabilizing right on schedule. Yes, and the viscosity looks perfect. We are ready for the next phase.
The levels are stabilizing right on target, Supervisor.
Confirmed. Keep monitoring the flow rate closely.
Safety check complete on the machine, and the molds are spotless. Excellent work. Let's start the molding stage.
Remove this one, it has a chip. Keep the line moving smoothly.
Here is the latest one from the line.
The finish is excellent. Go ahead and log it.
The seals look good on this batch, Maria.
Yes, the alignment is perfect. Send it to boxing.
Everything seems to be in order.
Yes, the pink soap is ready for dispatch.
The texture on this one is excellent, uniform color throughout. Verified, meets jewelry grade standards. I'll log it now.
Ensure the gradient matches the schematic before securing the bezel.
Yes, Supervisor, we've aligned the colors.
The symmetry is flawless. This piece looks truly elegant and has a beautiful premium finish.
This looks absolutely stunning. The alignment and cushioning are spot on. Well done.
The final inspection is complete on these.
They look absolutely stunning. We are ready to approve this batch for immediate shipment.